Hello dear students, this class is about polymorphism in Java. The Greek word poly means many and morph means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. It is a core concept of object oriented programming. This concept allows objects to take on many forms, which means a single action can be performed in different ways or a single interface can have multiple implementations. We will understand this by examples. Types of polymorphism in Java. Java mainly has two types of polymorphism. One is compile time or static polymorphism, which is achieved via method overloading. Another is dynamic polymorphism or runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch. This is achieved via method overriding. So, compile time or static polymorphism is achieved via method overloading, while dynamic or runtime polymorphism is achieved via method overriding. What is compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism? This type of polymorphism is resolved at compile time. As the name suggests, compile time polymorphism means this type of polymorphism is resolved at compile time before runtime. It is primarily achieved via method overloading, where multiple methods within the same class have the same name but different parameters such as numbers, type or order of arguments. The compiler determines which method to call based on the arguments provided during the method invocation. Let's see an example of method overloading. This is an example of method overloading by different number of parameters. We have created our class calculator, started our curly brace. This is our method int add, which is an addition purpose. Public int add two parameters, integer a and integer b, and the curly braces. This method returns the addition of a and b, returns a plus b. Now we have used method overloading, again calling this method public int add. This time we have overloaded this method with three parameters instead of two, int a, int b, int c. Inside the curly braces, this method is returning the addition of three numbers a plus b plus c. Public static void main calculator calc is equal to new calculator, which is our object. System.out.println sum of two numbers calculated.add. This method is calling our first method, and this system.out.println is calling our second method. And the output is giving, first one is giving sum of two numbers and second one is giving sum of three numbers. So this is the example of method overloading.